The problem with society today is that there's so much emphasis on external beauty and how important it is for a relationship. But when it comes to attracting and creating a fulfilling relationship, it's not the external that's going to get you to the place that you want to be romantically. This is why I always say that men do not fall in love with physical beauty. They just don't. Your energetics matters so much more. What matters is your connection to your inner beauty, your connection to your authenticity. All right. This means that when you let your guard down and you can embrace your feminine energy, you become magnetically more attractive because it's all about authenticity and vulnerability. And that is really what everyone is seeking, but what everyone's also afraid of. Okay, so healing, connecting with the love that you have inside of you, with your natural state of being, that is how you're going to start attracting amazing, high value men. I promise you. Okay, your energy matters more than your physical beauty. And this is what my entire course is about. Okay, those dynamics are what create attraction, maintain connection, and they should really be the backbone of any healthy relationship, because without feminine masculine polarity, a relationship is just not going to be fulfilling.